Mona Lavender, also known as Plectranthus, is a hybrid plant that was created by crossing two species of Plectranthus. It was first bred at a national botanical garden in Cape Town, South Africa, by horticulturists in the early 1990s. Since then, it has become a popular ornamental plant due to its attractive foliage and vibrant purple flowers. Mona Lavender is a compact plant that grows up to 2 feet tall and wide. It has shiny dark green leaves with purple undersides that give the plant an interesting color contrast. The plant produces spikes of small tubular flowers that are striking shades of lavender. The flower blooms in summer and fall and attracts bees and other pollinators to the garden. Mona Lavender prefers well-drained soil and partial shade, although it can tolerate full sun and cooler climates. It is a relatively easy plant to grow, as it is drought-tolerant and resistant to pests and diseases. It can be grown in containers or in the ground, or should be watered regularly but not overwatered. Mona Lavender can be planted with a variety of other plants, including ferns, hoistas, and other shade-loving perennials. It is also a good choice for mixed containers where its attractive foliage and flowers can be used as a focal point. Mona Lavender is primarily grown as an ornamental plant and is often used in borders, rock gardens, and container gardens. It can also be used as a house plant and is often grown as an accent plant in addition to its attractive appearance. Mona Lavender is said to have medicinal properties and is sometimes used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. However, it should be noted that these claims have not been scientifically proven and the plant should not be consumed without consulting a healthcare professional. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and information. Thanks for watching.